Chaga chaga, choo choo.
What's up, guys? AK Crazy Russian with DCCTRAIN LLC multi-chain store in Cincinnati, Ohio. Rob will help us run that engine. If you want to watch the video completed, actually 2 parts, please go to DCCTRAIN live channel. At the end of the video, it will be special link pop up, and I'll put it in the description. Go ahead, sir, please. Of course, it's need some adjustments. After run-in, engine almost like brand new. TCS decoder with biggest possible speaker. Yeah, you can do tons of different adjustments through that audio assist. Yeah. Alrighty. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Go check the live video. Have a good one. See ya. Bye.
Chaga chaga, choo choo.